Hello students, now here in this video we will discuss the structure of plasma membrane. I have told on last turn that we have to study here the structure of plasma membrane. Okay, so you can see here the first you have to remember this one is the plasma membrane. Okay, you have to study here the structure of this plasma membrane. This one is plasma membrane. Okay, so you have to study about the structure of this plasma membrane, that what are the chemical constituent of this plasma membrane you have to study here. Okay, so first thing you have to know here that majorly the plasma membrane consists of three chemical component. Especially remember here that we are studying here especially the plasma membrane of RBC, human RBC. We are studying here the plasma membrane of human RBC. So as you know that RBC is also a kind of the cell, and plasma membrane is the structural component of the cell. Okay, so this is the cell of human body. So you can say that cell wall is absent in the RBC. Only the plasma membrane present in RBC. Clear? Only plasma membrane present in human RBC, because this is the human cell. Okay, so now next thing we have to study here that there are majorly three component of any plasma membrane, like first lipid, and second one is protein, and third one is carbohydrate. These are three component of any plasma membrane. Okay, these are the three component of plasma membrane. Okay, now next thing we have to study, so especially you have to remember here that lipid, protein, carbohydrate, these are the three chemical component of any plasma membrane, especially of human RBC. Now next thing you must have to remember here that the lipid, about the lipid. Now this lipid exists in two form. So first you must have to remember that where the lipid is present in membrane. Okay, so this one is lipid, like you can see this is lipid and this one is also lipid and these are two side of any plasma membrane. This one is side, one side, this is another side, and this is the central side. Okay, so lipid is present in both side of any plasma membrane. Like the lipid is present in the form of hydrophilic head end, this one is hydrophilic end, this is also a hydrophilic end. Okay, so lipid is present in the form of hydrophilic end. So one end is hydrophilic in the form of head, and second one is hydrophobic, this one. Okay, this one is hydrophobic end. आप देख रहे हैं ना इस तरह की स्ट्रक्चर होगी. दिस वन हाइड्रोफिलिक एंड हेड पार्ट, एंड दिस इज हाइड्रोफोबिक पार्ट, एंड दिस इज ओवरऑल स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ द लिपिड. लिपिड की जो स्ट्रक्चर है वो इस तरह की, एक पार्ट हेड होगा, दूसरा पार्ट टेल होगा. देन हेड पार्ट इज कॉल्ड द हाइड्रोफिलिक. ओके, दिस वन like this. Okay, and next part will be the hydrophobic. Okay, like you can see. Okay, this is the lipid structure that exists in the plasma membrane. So one part is head, hydrophilic, and second part is hydrophobic. Okay, and this part you must have to remember, and you can see here that this is towards the outer side. ये क्या होगा, ये outer side में रहेगा, and this will towards the central side. ये क्या रहेगा, ये membrane की center की side में रहेगा. जैसे you can see here, like see, like this. Okay, like this you can see here. Okay, ये hydrophilic head part and hydrophobic tail part. Okay, so because of having the lipid, that's why it's called amphipathic in nature. Okay, amphipathic in nature. तो amphiphilic nature, and this hydrophilic, due to having this hydrophilic part, the membrane is uh, attractive towards the water, that's why called hydrophilic. And this part is hydrophobic. Clear? This is about the lipid. Okay, now next thing about the plasma, like about the protein. Okay, so you can see there are two types of protein present in any membrane. You can see here, like this one is intrinsic protein, integral protein. There are two form of the protein and majorly form the protein structure. 52% of protein are present in any membrane and 40% only of lipid present in any membrane. Okay, so here the intrinsic protein is present. Okay, remember here that there are two form of the protein in any membrane. Intrinsic, that strongly bind with the lipid bilayer, and second one form of the protein, extrinsic protein, that is loosely बाउंड विद द लिपिड बाइलेयर. ओके, दो तरह की यहाँ पर प्रोटीन होंगी, जिनमें से एक एक्सट्रांसिक एंड दूसरी इंट्रांसिक. ओके, तो एक्सट्रांसिक जो प्रोटीन होगी वो टाइटली बाउंड होगी, एंड इंट्रांसिक दैट विल लूजली बाइंड विद द लिपिड बाइलेयर, एंड दीज बोथ प्रोटीन आर प्रेजेंट इन लिपिड bilayer. Okay, you must have to remember, and that's why the protein appears as a mosaic. I will discuss and I will tell you later about the mosaic model about the plasma membrane. Okay, because how does these protein appear in any membrane. Okay, so you must have to remember here about the constituent of the plasma membrane. You are studying here the chemical component of plasma membrane. Okay, now next thing, next component, structural component of plasma membrane is carbohydrate. Okay, this is another constituent, and this is only 1 to 5% of any plasma membrane. Okay, and this exists in the form of phospholipid. Okay, and also the glycolipid. So when the carbohydrate associated with peripheral protein, extrinsic protein, this is called glycolipid. And when the protein present, you can see there are two form of any protein. Okay, so first form is like peripheral protein. peripheral protein से अगर ये associated होगा, that will call the glycolipid. And next, that is called glycoprotein. Okay, अगर कार्बोहाइड्रेट फास्फोलिपिड से एसोसिएटेड होता है तो दिस इज कॉल्ड these are associated with phospholipid or with the peripheral protein to form glycolipids. यानी कि जब कार्बोहाइड्रेट पेरिफेरल प्रोटीन से एसोसिएट होगा, दैट विल कॉल्ड द glycolipid. Okay, this one. And when this will associate with protein, this is called the glycoprotein. Okay, अगर लिपिड के साथ एसोसिएशन होगा कार्बोहाइड्रेट का, दिस इज कॉल्ड द ग्लाइकोलिपिड. व्हेन दिस कार्बोहाइड्रेट एसोसिएटेड विद प्रोटीन, दिस इज कॉल्ड ग्लाइकोप्रोटीन. ओके, so this is all about the chemical constituent of the plasma membrane, that what percentage of different kinds of protein, carbohydrate and lipids present in any plasma membrane. So especially we have studied here about the structure of human RBC plasma membrane. Okay, if you have any confusion, then you can discuss with me. Thank you.